M0FXB, welcome to my channel, looking at the Anytone 779 and programming software. So you can get this software from Moonraker, so thanks very much to them. And they're also selling the radio at a very good price as well. VHF, UHF with a full DTMF control microphone, and the screen looks lovely and sounds great, this little portable radio. I'm pretty sure it's 20 watts. But anyway, let's scroll down, just show you where the software is. So the software is here. Just scroll down and you'll see it there, Anytone software. Click that, download it, very easy. Download the zip, run the zip. I've already run it, I don't want to run it twice, but double click. See the bottom one, setup XE, double click that, and it will start to run, okay? But we've already run it, so we're going to go cancel for now. Once you've opened it, you will end up with this program here, okay? Nice and easy to read. Now make sure you've plugged in your USB cable into where the microphone goes and the other end into your PC, and then right click Device Manager, and you'll be finding in your ports here on the left. There you are, sounding great. Double click and look, prolific USB to serial COM port, no problem at all there. So we've got COM 7 on mine, it might be different on yours. Then just go to set COM, and then drop down and select number 7, click OK, and then the first thing I recommend you do is read the radio like so. At the top it says program and read, click OK, and it will quite quickly read the radio. So let's have a go adding a couple of channels. I'll add my all-star node and a repeater, and we'll be able to name the channels as well. So we'll leave 1 and 2 as default, we'll leave them alone. We'll just double click here, put in the frequency for my hotspot, which is 434, or my all-star node. Double click 434.550. It's simplex, so that stays the same. We don't have to add a different frequency. We'll call it hubnet, that one, hubnet. Again, click, put hubnet, or let's do it in capitals, hubnet. We don't need to change the step, we can change the power if we want. Just double click again, you can select high, middle, low, we'll leave it on middle. Special DCS, don't really use that. CTCSS, yes, we're going to need that, so we need to turn that on. Let's click the big arrows here on the right hand side, and let's have a look what we can see. So where is it? CTCSS encode I need, so that'd be 77. We've got a name in, we're not using decode, we're not using standard DCS. Squelch mode carrier, leave that alone. DTMF PTID, no, we're not using that. What else? Busy channel, scrambler, commander, no. TX off, no. So nothing else to set there, so we'll just click OK. Now let's add a repeater. So we'll go underneath and we'll put in 145.600 for GB3WR. The input is actually 0, so we'll double click again, change that 6. When I say 0, I mean 145.000. Put a 0 in there. And double click where it says channel name, GB3WR. We're going to need to put a tone, so let's just double click the arrows on the right here. Select our encode, which is here, of 94.8. Click OK. I don't think we need anything else. Power, we'll do it high because it's quite a distance from me, that repeater. That all looks good. Now I wonder if we can copy and paste. Let's try it. Just trying to see if I copy. I can't see it, but maybe there is a way of doing it. You can select it, file, model, no. Got these other functions here, function setup. We'll have a look at that. Set, program, read and write. That's self-explanatory. So let's go to function setup. Let's have a look here. Function setup, display mode. We can have channel, so we see the channel. Main, up or down. Up, VFO memory. Down, VFO. You can sort of decide what's on the top bit and the bottom bit. Starting display, let's just put M0FXB. Andreas. not using any of that. Squelch, timer, English, tone burst, vox level, beep. Yeah, I like the beeps. Yeah, so that all looks good. Click OK. See if I can see anything else interesting. Not really sure what tone 2 and tone... I've seen this in the menu. I don't really know what that does. I have to work it out. Is it... Yeah, it's not something I've used. First tone, second tone. Is it DTMF? I don't actually know what that is. There's DTMF there. You can preset some DTMF shortcuts. Emergency communicate now, embedded message, batch channel edit. No, I'm not going to do that. But what is that? Let's have a look. All channel. Don't really know what that does. So I'm learning. Remember that. I'm learning with you. Right, let's write to radio. Actually, let's put another repeater in. Just one more. We're going to put in 430.925. That's GB3FI. The TX is 438.525. We'll name it, double click here, GB3FI. And then we just need to set the tone. The tone, I believe, is 77 on encode as well. Click OK. Let's send that to the radio. We can also save for now. Go File, Save. And you can get a completed Moonraker. I've actually got a code plug you can use. You don't have to do it all individual like mine. I'll do a separate video installing that actually. So let's just put it in my 578 file for now, and we'll call it 799 data. We'll click Save. So we've got that already saved if we lose it. Then we'll go Program, Write to Radio, click OK. And then the radio says Writing and goes red by the volume. There you go, M0FXB Andreas, you saw that. Turn it up. Let's just go up and down. There you are, GB3FI, GB3WR and HubNet. See if I can get my HubNet node to talk. Let's have a look now. Are they online? No, it looks like they're not online. I'm not online at the moment, so that's okay. Thanks for watching 7.3, all the best.